We're on SAT Practice Test 9, Math Section 1, Question 12. What's the level of difficulty here? It's medium. Triangle FGH is similar to triangle JKL, where angle F corresponds to angle J, and angles G and K are right angles. If sine F equals 308 over 317, what's the value of sine J? So write down what you're looking for, circle it, and then where are these figures? They're not here, so you got to draw them. Anybody can draw two right triangles. You know they're right triangles because ETS tells you so. All right, what are the right angles? ETS tells you that they're G and K. Doesn't matter where the other letters go. They just have to be in the same places because these triangles are similar. What's similar mean? Similar means basically the same. All right, every trigonometry problem on the SAT, you can get it right with SOH CAH TOA. Sine, cosine, tangent. And you know this trigonometry problem can't be that hard. Why? Because it's medium. So what are we looking for? We're looking for sine. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine F is 308 over 317. That means that the opposite side is 308, and the hypotenuse side is 317. We're looking for sine J, so we're looking for opposite over hypotenuse. They're similar triangles. So what do you think the opposite is? I mean, look at the answer choices, but it's 308. Look at the hypotenuse here. What do you think that is? 317. So opposite over hypotenuse is 308 over 317. And guys, that is it. That's the answer. It's B. You can get this right real quick and move on.